Today we're gonna look at Left, Center, Right, a game put out by Spin Master. You are gonna need 3 or more players to play this, and the ages are 8 and above. So keep that in mind when you're looking for your next game. Contents inside are 3 dice, 24 tokens, and instructions. So when you start out, each player gets 3 tokens. The youngest person of the group is the first person to roll the dice. So just shake this up and here we go. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take this token here, means that I get to keep one of my tokens, and then I'm going to take the other 2 and I'm going to give them to the person on my right. Unfortunately, I just lost most of my tokens, okay? Player number 2. Player number 2 then got 2 tokens from the person on their left, and then the 3 tokens that they started out with. So they're going to shake the dice, whoops, and they roll 3 dots. They're going to keep all of their tokens. They don't have to share with anybody. Player number 3, they roll the dice. Okay, they get to keep 2 of their tokens and pass 1 to the right to the very first player. So since player number 1 only has 2 tokens left, because they gave them away in the first round, they can only use 2 dice. Okay, so shake these up nice and good. Okay, so they get to keep 1, and then they give a token to the person on their left. Okay, so player number 2 is ahead with a total of 5 tokens. We're gonna shake this up. And just for the experience of the game, we're going to say that hypothetically, one of the dice lands on a star. Okay? You're going to pass 1 token to the left. So that's going to go to the very first player. You're going to take 1 token and put it in the discard pile, and that's because of the star, and you're left with 3 tokens now. Okay, so if you run out of tokens, you're not out of the woods, okay? Because what if the person on your right or the person on your left rolls a right or a left die? Then that means that they're going to give tokens back to you. So you're not out of the game just yet, and how the game is won is obviously once you've collected all of the tokens from the gameplay. So again, everyone starts out with 3 tokens. Okay, so that means if you only have 3 people playing, you only have 9 tokens in gameplay. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you've enjoyed this review of Left, Center, Right. See you guys later. Bye.